Devon has got capacity to manufacture brand new buses, 10 to 12 brand new buses per day, running on a 24-hour shift. At the moment, we are operating at about 10% of our capacity. We are able to produce in between 500 to 1,200 buses per year, depending on customers' orders. However, as you have seen today, we now have the technical know-how, we now have the capacity, we now can manufacture any brand of a bus for any terrain in Zimbabwe, both for the urban and rural segments. And Zimbabwe, on an annual basis, requires between 500 to 800 brand new buses per annum, which Devon Engineering can fully satisfy. And with this current capacity, we can ramp it up in no time. And this is being done with Zimbabwean expertise and workers only, with the original equipment manufacturing coming in to inspect at the tail end when the buses have been fully manufactured. It's not a question of raw materials, sir. Raw materials are adequate. It's a question of effective offtake. That is effective demands. Clients who can come through today and say, I want 20 buses, I want 100 buses, as Devon, we are able to produce that. That we can assure you as the nation of Zimbabwe. We are able to now provide the bus solutions for the whole country and even for the region and beyond.
Essentially what we have seen today, Devon was operating at the worst part. This company that you see had 3 employees from what we've been briefed, and now 80 jobs have just been created on phase 1, which has just been 20 buses, the first batch, and the second batch, 20 buses. What we also notice is that we are also seeing companies are starting to come and placing their orders. For example, we're seeing that there are other corporations which have already placed their orders of 6 buses respectively in batches, which have also gone out. What we are going to assist them on is further training to ensure that our quality assurance is done well. What we want to target as Araya Metropolitan Province is that this assembly plant in the foreseeable future should be doing assembly for the region as a whole. But as it is, we've also invited today other transport operators, including the Kombi operators, because where we are going in the Second Republic, we don't want transportation like Mushika-shika. We don't want transportation of minibuses. We want to go this route. So some of the designs that are going to be brought across, which we have discussed today, include buses which can carry wheelchairs, include buses which can be intercity, just coming from 4th Street to Resende. It includes buses which can carry more passengers who are standing, and likewise. And also, you've seen some of the buses already have carriers. We're now looking at the rural folk, how we can do that. Devon is now also manufacturing or refurbishing buses for Zupco. So we don't want where we used to see old chassis and old accident damaged buses being auctioned away. We now want, once a bus has an accident, it should be brought back to the factory, reassembled so that it goes back again. We are going to save millions of United States dollars as a government from import substitution, just from the jobs which have been created here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, we are coming in as ABI, Amalgamated Bus Industry, which is the consortium of 4 bus companies in Zimbabwe, which have come together to assemble these buses that we are witnessing today. We are helping the government in NDS1, whereby we import knockdown kits from China and we assemble them here in Zimbabwe.
Okay. Thank you. And maybe what are the long-term plans in the near future, the medium to long-term plans?
Yes, our medium to long-term plan is to bring in more kits, especially this year. We've got a facility of about 200 kits, which means 200 buses, which we want to import into Zimbabwe if we are given the right platforms and the right policies of the government.
Thank you very much.